Autism is a gut-brain issue, dysfunction. Yes. So it has to do with alteration in the gut microbiota and the neurochemistry of the brain. Yes. Now the brain has what we call cells, neurons, and they have membrane. Just like throughout the body, the cell membrane of the body or the plasma membrane. It's very diverse, unique for signaling, reception, this transduction, man, and conversion of energy and intracellular communication. So people who suffer with autism is usually a birth defect where the parents were gut compromised or brain compromised. And as a result, microorganisms, metabolically activate certain epigenes. And via epigenetics, unfavorable proteins are synthesized. And these unfavorable proteins will, perform reactions with unfavorable metal ions, elements, and chemical compounds. So they create their new biochemistry at the gut level and the brain level. Now this new biochemistry created by these epigenetic proteins and metal ions and compounds from microbial reactions, what they do is create what is called new metabolic pathway or epigenetic pathway from the gut to the brain. Unfavorable pathway or abnormal pathways that result in things like dementia, schizophrenia, Alzheimer, autism, all these neurodegenerative diseases are as a result of new metabolic pathway or epigenetic pathway created from the gut to the brain because of an alteration in the gut microbiota. And so organisms in the gut produce unfavorable compounds. And these compounds now create a new pathway to the brain and put you on a new timeline or what is called a parallel reality, right? So it is important for children or people who suffer from autism to, address gut health. Regreen the gut after you flush the gut. Always flush the gut, regreen the gut. Put back healthy microbes, your prebiotic to support your probiotic so that the gut microbes can create the right postbiotics that can create a real epigenetic pathway or metabolic pathway that is in favor of right stable brain function and chemistry. Yes, so flush the gut with anything that is green and natural, laced with iron, laced with zinc, importantly, and magnesium. You want the fiber to act as the prebiotic for the gut microbes, all right? So address the gut, and then you will continuously flush the blood because the blood tend to carry heavy metals, you see? And you want to consume living water that you have, preferably spring water, that you have boiled for at least 5 to 10 minutes. We need to start boiling our waters like never before. Importantly, we want to drive off any microorganisms that might be in the water. We want to restructure the water close as possible to nature. So boiling create this condensation, evaporation reaction going on to restructure the water. Yes. We also want to remove any toxin that is in the water that also play a role in autism and other brain neurodegenerative issues. So boiling the water will remove things like plasticine and toxins such as arsenic, volatile toxins and volatile compounds from the water. You want the water to be in a more living state, a more vibrational state. You want the water to be more cleansing. You want the water to increase its memory capacity when you use the water. So when you boil the water, you would normally add a powerful organic salt such as Celtic salt to put back the minerals there, because the minerals in this water is what you're going to use to flush the brain, right? Because oftentimes autism, is a what we call a channelopathy type of issue, where the channels in the membrane of the cells are, altered or modulated by heavy metals. Sometimes even heavy metals become lodged into these channels, creating further issues or putting the child in that artistic situation. So it is good to flush the channels in the brain, and you can use a living water that is fortified with Celtic salt and then lemon added to it and some copper, right, from a copper container that has been overnight, stored overnight with water. Add some copper to the water, add the Celtic salt, add some lemon juice to it, freshly squeezed lemon, and rotate clockwise and anti-clockwise and flush the blood. Let these children drink this type of water. Adults can drink it too. Everybody should be drinking this living type of water. And what you could do after you add your Celtic salt, add your copper, and you put in some amount of lemon. Even before you put the lemon, you could actually put that water back into the sun so that it could be sun energized. And after your sun energized it, then you could add the lemon after that. You see, this type of water is very potent and living, and it can flushes the membrane. You want to move things like lead, heavy metal from the brain, and replace it with zinc, more memory supporting element. You want to remove the excess strontium and put back the calcium. These are mimickers that create things like autism in our children. All right, share this video with others. Anybody you think might have autistic children, tell them it's gut-brain issue, and they address it from the gut, address it from the brain, and you will see your children who is not talking start to have clear speech again. Whatever the issue is, you will see it slowly readjust itself over time. All right, give thanks now. And remember, tap in, tune in, connect, and shift with the Pineal Room. Give thanks.